Hello students, in this video we will discuss 25 MCQs from chapter number 2 Biological Classification. These are previous year's PMT questions based on NCERT core content. Question 1. Five kingdom system of classification suggested by R.H. Whittaker is not based on. R.H. Whittaker's five kingdom classification is mainly based on five main criteria. These are cell structure, thallus organization, mode of nutrition, mode of reproduction and phylogenetic relationship. But this system of classification is not based on presence or absence of well-defined nucleus. So, correct answer is option A, mark A. Question number 2. In the five kingdom classification, Chlamydomonas and Chlorella have been included in. In five kingdom classification, Chlamydomonas and Chlorella have been included along with Paramecium and Amoeba in kingdom Protista, which is option A. So, mark A as a correct answer. Question 3. Match the organisms in column 1 with habitats in column 2. Column 1A, halophils. These are the bacteria which live in extreme salty area. So, it matches with fourth point of column 2. Column 1B, thermoacidophils. These bacteria live in hot springs and matches with first point of column 2. Column 1C, methanogens. They are present in the gut of ruminants and matches with third point of column 2. Now, column 1D, cyanobacteria. They are blue-green algae and live in aquatic environment and matches with point 2 of column 2. So, correct option is A. A matches with fourth, B matches with first, C matches with third and D matches with second point of column 2. So, mark A as a correct answer. Question number 4. Which among the following are the smallest living cells known without a definite cell wall, pathogenic to plants as well as animals and can survive without oxygen? These are mycoplasma. They can live without oxygen. Smallest living cells हैं, कोई definite cell wall नहीं है and animals and plants दोनों के लिए pathogenic हैं, harmful हैं. So, correct answer is option B, mycoplasma. Mark B as a correct answer. Question number 5. Which one of the following organisms are known as chief producers in the oceans? Option B, diatoms are chief producers in the ocean. They are protestant and belongs to Christophytes. So, mark B as a correct answer. Question 6. Ciliates differ from अदर प्रोटोजोन्स. सीलिएट्स वो ग्रुप ऑफ प्रोटोजोन्स हैं जिनमें हेयर लाइक सीलिया प्रेजेंट होते हैं फॉर लोकोमोशन. इसके अलावा दे हैव टू टाइप्स ऑफ न्यूक्लियाई. नोट इन द डायग्राम, टू न्यूक्लियाई आर प्रेजेंट. वन मैक्रोन्यूक्लियस है एंड अदर माइक्रोन्यूक्लियस है. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी. सीलिएट्स डिफर फ्रॉम अदर प्रोटोजोन्स इन हैविंग टू टाइप्स ऑफ nuclei. So, mark D as a correct answer. Question number 7. Match column 1 with column 2. Column 1A, saprophyte matches with 2 of column 2. Saprophytes are those which get food by decomposition of dead organic materials. Column 1B, parasite. It matches with 3 of column 2. Parasites live on living plants or animals. Column 1C, lichens matches with fourth of column 2. Lichens have symbiotic association of algae and fungi. And column 1D, mycorrhiza matches with one of column 2. Mycorrhiza is a symbiotic association of fungi with plant roots. So, correct answer from the option given below is A. A matches with 2, B matches with 3, C matches with 4 and D matches with 1. So, mark A as a correct answer. Question number 8. Which of the following statements is incorrect? All four statements are related with class Ascomycetes of fungus, and statements B, C and D are correct statement. Statement B को देखिए, morels and truffles are edible. इनको as a food consume किया जा सकता है. Statement C, claviceps is a source of many alkaloids and LSD. LSD means lysergic acid diethylamide जो एक drug है. And statement D, conidia, which are asexual spores produced exogenously, while ascospores, which are sexual spores developed endogenously. All these statements are correct statements. Now come to statement A. Yeast have filamentous bodies with long thread-like hyphae. This is incorrect statement. Rather, yeast is a non-mycelial, means no hyphae are present. Also, yeast is unicellular and Ascomycetes fungus. So, incorrect statement is A. Mark A as a answer. Question number 9. Which of the following statement is wrong? इस क्वेश्चन में भी स्टेटमेंट्स बी, सी एंड डी करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट हैं. बी स्टेटमेंट को देखिए, फाइकोमाइसिटिस आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एल्गल फंगाई बिकॉज ऑफ देयर aseptate and cenocytic hyphae. C statement, cyanobacteria are also called blue-green algae as they are photosynthetic bacteria. Now see the D statement, golden algae are also called desmids. All these are correct statement. But statement A, eubacteria are also called false bacteria. No, this is wrong statement. Eubacteria are called true bacteria. So, answer is option A. Mark A as a correct answer. Question number 10. The genetic material of tobacco mosaic virus is? It is single-stranded RNA, that is ssRNA. So, mark B as a correct answer. Question 11. Which one is not a prokaryote? A option, Saccharomyces, that is a yeast. It is eukaryotic unicellular fungus, while prokaryotes include bacteria like Mycobacterium, cyanobacteria like Nostoc and Oscillatoria, Mycoplasma and Archaebacteria. So, correct answer is A. Saccharomyces is not a prokaryote. So, mark A as a correct answer. Question number 12. After karyogamy followed by meiosis, spores are produced exogenously. Option C, in Agaricus, which is a member of Basidiomycetes. Basidium produces 4 meiospores or basidiospores exogenously, while Neurospora and Saccharomyces both are members of Ascomycetes and produce ascospores endogenously. And Alternaria, member of Deuteromycetes, it produces no spores at all. So, mark C, Agaricus as a correct answer. Question 13. In which group of organisms the cell walls form two thin overlapping shells which fit together? Option C, Christophytes. They are placed under kingdom Protista, which includes diatoms and golden algae called desmids. Most of them are photosynthetic. In diatoms, the cell wall forms two thin overlapping shells which fit together as in a soap box. So, mark C as a correct answer. Question 14. Which one of the following components provide sticky character to the bacterial cell? Cell envelope in bacterial cell consists of 3 components: glycocalyx, cell wall and cell membrane. Glycocalyx is a slimy layer present outside cell wall of bacteria that provides it a sticky character. Hence, the correct answer is C. Mark C. Question number 15. Which one of the following is correct about viroids? Viroids are smaller than viruses and they have free RNA विदाउट प्रोटीन कोट जो वायरस में प्रेजेंट होता है, एंड मोरओवर द RNA ऑफ वायरॉइड is of low molecular weight. So, correct answer is B. The correct statement about viroids is they have free RNA without protein coat. So, mark B as a correct answer. Question number 16. Select the wrong statement. Statement A देखिए. The term contagium vivum fluidum was coined by M.W. Beezernick. This is correct. In 1898, he demonstrated that infected tobacco plant का extract healthy plant में infection cause कर सकता है और इस fluid को he gave the name contagium vivum fluidum. Statement B. Mosaic disease of tobacco and AIDS in human being are caused by virus. Correct. This is also correct. Both tobacco mosaic and acquired immunodeficiency syndrome diseases are caused by viruses. Statement C. The viroids were discovered by D.J. Ivanovsky. This is wrong. In 1971, T.O. Diner discovered new infectious agent called viroids. Statement D. W.M. Stanley showed that viruses could be crystallized. This is correct. In 1935, he showed that viruses could be crystallized and crystals consist of proteins. So, out of 4 statements, statement C is incorrect. Mark C as a correct answer. Question number 17. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Statement A देखिए. Prions consist of abnormally folded proteins. This is correct. Prions infectious particles हैं जिसमें न्यूक्लिक एसिड नहीं होता. They have simply protein and cause diseases in animals and humans. B. Viroids lack a protein coat. This is also correct. Viroids में protein coat नहीं होता. They simply have free RNA. C. Viruses are obligate parasites. This is also correct. Viruses inert होते हैं outside their host and active होते हैं inside the host. D. Infective constituents in viruses is the protein coat. This is wrong. Viruses में infected constituent DNA और RNA होता है and not the protein. So, incorrect statement is D. Mark D as a correct answer. Question number 18. Match the column. Column 1. First, Christophyta. It matches with B, diatom of column 2. Diatom is a Christophyte. Second, Gonilex of column 1. It matches with D of column 2, Dinoflagellate. Third, Penicillium of column 1 matches with A, fungi of column 2. And fourth, slime mold of column 1 matches with C, Plasmodium of column 2. So, correct option is D. 1 matches with B, 2 matches with D, 3 matches with A and 4 matches with C. So, mark D as a correct answer. Question number 19. Here also you have to match the columns. Column 1 A, amoeba. It matches with 3 of column 2. Amoeba put out pseudopodia for locomotion. B, paramecium of column 1 matches with 2 of column 2. Paramecium moves with the help of cilia. C, trypanosoma of column 1 matches with 1 of column 2. Trypanosoma has flagella for locomotion. So, correct answer is B. A matches with 3, B matches with 2 and C matches with 1. So, mark B as a correct answer. Question 20. Match list A with list B and choose the correct option. List A में diseases के names हैं and B में causative organism. And now match these two. A, citrus canker, it is caused by bacteria. B, bovine spongiform encephalopathy, it is caused by prion. herpes is caused by virus and red rot is caused by fungus. So, correct option is C. A is matching with 4, B is matching with 2, C is matching with 3 and D is matching with 1. So, mark C as a correct answer. Question 22. Trypanosoma belongs to class. Trypanosoma belongs to Zooflagellata. It is a flagellated protozoa and responsible for a disease called sleeping sickness. So, mark B as a correct answer. Question number 23. Which of the following shows coiled RNA strand and capsomere? Coiled RNA is present in tobacco mosaic virus, that is TMV, and its protein coat has 2130 capsomeres. So, mark B as a correct answer. Question 24. There exists a close association between algae and fungus within lichen. The fungus, in association of algae and fungus within lichens, algae component is called as mycobiont and fungus component is called as phycobiont. Algae prepares food and fungus provides protection, anchorage and absorption of minerals for algae. So, choice A is a correct answer. Mark A. Question 25. Which one of the following living organisms completely lacks a cell wall? Gorgonia, which belongs to Cnidaria class Anthozoa. It is an animal and has no cell wall. While Saccharomyces are fungi and have cell wall made of chitin, and cyanobacteria and blue-green alga, they belong to Monera and have cell wall made of peptidoglycan. So, correct answer is B. C. fan Gorgonia, which completely lacks cell wall. Mark B as a correct answer. So, that's all for today. Thank you very much for staying with me. Subscribe the channel to get the information about my new video. Thank you so much.